Hello? Let me lower the volume so it's better. Hi. I'm bored, so I'm gonna be coding. That's literally the entire stream. So yeah, hi everyone. Nice to see you guys again. I'm doing a bit of a guerrilla stream today, so I'm not sure if anyone's gonna watch, but we'll see how it goes. If you guys are here to, bring my attention or something, show me some cool shit they found in the programming or just general world, let me know. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna be coding my bot for now. If the music is too loud, too quiet, whatever, please feel free to let me know and I shall adjust it. Alright? It's gonna be a bit of a quiet stream. I was pretty much gonna do this anyway, but ooh, why is VTube Studio doing that? I was pretty much gonna do this anyways, but I'm like, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna stream it, because why not? So let me just explain what we were doing since the last time. The last time we were doing like a TypeScript setup, so let me pull up my terminal and just open up the project. Set base. So yeah, we were figuring out how the fuck TypeScript in the modern day worked, and we actually got somewhere, so it was pretty good. Basically, instead of using packages like tsalias inside dev dependencies, we just used the Node.js imports, and that fixed a lot of stuff up. What I am learning a lot with JavaScript is that Node.js has grown surprisingly by a lot since the last time I used it, because it has a lot of inbuilt stuff in the standard library now. Like, I was trying to figure out an async sleep function, and I know, yeah, there's set timeout, set interval, and there's like that utility function to return a promise that sets a set timeout, but turns out Node.js actually has a package in the standard library which is specifically for promise-based interruptions, which I don't know. I don't know if that's just me, but I find it really nice to have all that stuff. Hey, Dung, what's up? Good evening for me. Good morning for you, maybe. I don't know. You're Aussie, right? Or am I stupid? I don't remember. But yeah, hi, welcome. But yeah, I also got a bone to pick. I was on Twitter today. Close, Japan. Ah, okay. So close enough. I got a bone to pick today with Twitter. And just how stupid people can be. Because you guys remember I was talking about like AI and like art and that sort of stuff. I don't have an opinion. I mean, the opinion is whoever the fuck does that shit, that's up to them. But now these people on Twitter got into the coding space because somebody posted like, oh, AI was used for a bunch of the code portion. Now, I don't know how much of that portion was actually used for code, but you get what I mean. So, okay, hold on, let me just pull up the post, actually. It's probably better with context than without. Hold on. I fucking hate these people, bro. They're so annoying. Oh yeah, my fucking Twitter search is just the World Cup stuff. How many of you guys, do any of you guys watch the World Cup? I mean, I do. I've been watching it since it started, and I'm so excited for the finals. Like, I'm so happy that Argentina won. Dude, I don't care what anyone says. I've supported Argentina since, like, 2014, and they're, like, it's like a team. You know, when you support a team from the start, you just gotta keep supporting them throughout. I like Argentina. They're a very fun team to watch, and they always have good matches, and they fucking have crazy-ass players. And that doesn't mean that Spain doesn't, right? Spain's also a great team, and it's going to be a really good game, nevertheless. I'd love if Argentina won another World Cup. That would be fucking amazing. That would be so cool, but... There is that one VTuber that fucking cursed everyone, every fucking team. That shit was so funny, man. Every single time, I'm like, bro, how the fuck does this person get the opposite shit all the time? It's crazy. Let's see. Yeah, What do you mean, oh no, Dung? I mean, FIFA ruined it for everyone, including Argentina. I don't think so. Argentina, no, it wasn't FIFA that ruined it. It's the people that fucking make a bunch of generalizations about shit. I mean, yes, they fucked up a lot. I actually went to a World Cup game back in like the knockout stages, and they did really fuck up the arrangement of the stadium, but it wasn't FIFA that ruined it. It's people that are fucking coping that ruined it, bruh. I've been talking to Argentine fans during the game too. They're all fucking chill. They're like, what the fuck are people saying, bro? Fucking stupid. A bunch of people don't even know how the fuck football works. So it's like, just watch. My opinion on the World Cup is just watch it for entertainment. That's what you should do. I mean, like, a lot of Argentina fans are always great. Do I watch football? Yeah, I do. I'm actually the hydration breaks. Honestly, as an American, I don't care. Like, I'm used to watching sports. I've watched sports in quarters. We actually watched the NBA finals before this, so it's the same fucking thing. But hydration breaks or whatever. I mean, it's also good to just take a small 2-minute break. I remember, like, during the game when I was there. Okay. Do you guys want to hear about my experience at the World Cup itself, or do you guys want to hear about like my opinion on the new rules and stuff? Because I'm happy to tell you about what happened when I went there, because it was really fun. It was really fun. Don't get me wrong. But there are a few things that were wrong with it compared to when I went to a different soccer game. I'll tell you which one it was. So, I went to one of the stadiums because it's in the U.S., which is amazing. All right, see, I'm a big fan. Yeah, I am a big fan. I am a big fan of soccer. I mean, I don't really show it, right? I mean, I have a bunch of players and stuff. I'm like big fans attend in person. Yeah, I'm a pretty big fan of international soccer personally. Club soccer, I want to get into, right? But the problem is, it's hard to find, like, oh yeah, what league do I watch? What club do I support? So maybe I'll watch Premier League, who knows? But yeah, I've been a big Argentina fan since 2014. I've been always soft spot for the US. I thought France would win it this year, I'm not gonna lie. France was such a good team. I don't know what the fuck happened. The contenders for me were France, Spain, or Arge. I haven't heard Brian talk about sports before. Yeah, I mean, it never really came up. I'm not a sports streamer, right? I mean, I usually keep it to myself because there's not many people that I know that really enjoy soccer or the World Cup or stuff like that. So it's just like me. That's why I mainly keep it to myself. I just enjoy it with my friends or my folks. Mainly my folks. But yeah, might watch the final at a bar or something. Even though I don't drink. I don't drink at all. Maybe I'll get like some fucking virgin cocktail or something. I have no fucking idea. But yeah, like, oh, great, ad break. Sorry, guys. I apologize. This shit sucks. I'll let the ad break go. Why is the... Oh, it is showing now. Okay. It wasn't showing before, so I was very confused. Alright, I'll let that run and finish, and I can continue my little talk about soccer. I am more than happy to tell you guys how I feel about that shit. Let me just open the soccer website I use. Okay. And then I can switch over here. That's my Z. Let me switch to... That's not it. Let me switch to Brave here. Brave. Here we go. Yoinkus. Sploinkus. Doinkus. There we go. Alright, yeah, I mean, I use FootMob all the time for understanding the different leagues and stuff like that, so I can tell you, once the ad break is over, I can tell you guys how many games I've watched. I pretty much watched all of them. Even when I was studying, I was like watching the game on the side, because like I really enjoy this shit. But yeah, in terms of sports, I'm a soccer fan. I'm working on becoming a basketball fan, because all my friends like basketball. Football, like American football, not so much. I've never really gotten into it because, I don't know, I'm just not in, like, the area for football. American football. I got corrected to American football because I got a bunch of fucking international viewers in this chat, bruh. But yeah, so I like, actual football, I like basketball. Cricket I used to watch for a while with my dad. That's because it's a dad thing, but, you know, that was fun. And what else? Baseball I've never really gotten into. But yeah, in terms of games I went to see a basketball game because it's nearby, and I've seen 2 soccer games in person. Now, and again, I'm gonna call it soccer because I'm American. Fuck you. Whoever wants to say it's football, shut up. I don't care what the fuck you call it. Sometimes I call it soccer, sometimes I call it football. As long as it's in context of the World Cup or something specific, I don't care. Alright, so yeah, I pretty much watched almost all the games. Except if the game was at, like, midnight my time, I didn't watch it. But I watched, like, every single game. That's honestly why I didn't stream for so long, in addition to the exams that I had at the time. But yeah, I've watched all the knockout... What the fuck is this? I watched out all the knockout games and things like that. But everybody loves Norway, man. Oh my god. Oh, Holland was great. But yeah, so I've supported Argentina. I was kind of supporting England just because of the fucking fat guy drumming saying score some goals, bro. It was funny. Oh my god. I also didn't really want to do a watch along on stream because who fucking knows what the FIFA Mafia would do to me if anybody was caught. I'm not a popular streamer, so I don't get the same pardons as everyone else. But yeah. So who do you guys think? I wonder who do you guys think is gonna win on Sunday? I guess on Saturday too, because it's the third place final. But who do you guys think is gonna win? I wonder. Let me know. I'm personally hoping Argentina wins, but I feel like Spain might just be the better team and win anyway because they just have better players. But we'll see. Argentina's always pulled off an upset at the end of the every match, and they've done well for themselves. So it's gonna be a good game nevertheless. But yeah, that's my little soccer saga. In terms of attending the stadium itself, this was fun. So I went to the stadium, and it's the same stadium for both times. I went to a Copa America game, and I also went to a World Cup game. This was like a couple years apart, because that's when the tournaments start. The Copa America game was like 50. If you want to go to a soccer game in person, like in a national one, or international game, I recommend doing the Copa America or like the Euro, one of those like regional tournaments, because it's just infinitely easier, is what I'd say, because with the World Cup, FIFA basically is the mafia, so they make everything really convoluted. Like, to even get to the stadium for the Copa America, we just parked in, like, the parking lot, and we went in, and people were tailgating and shit. It's, like, a common thing people do at American stadiums. And it was fun. It was, like, a really nice atmosphere. All of the fans were very happy. I went to an Argentina game that time, so it was great. But everybody was happy and cheering. It was really fun. It was enjoyable, and I wasn't exhausted at all during the game itself. But then with the World Cup, like, for some reason, they belted off all of the parking lots. Like, you couldn't park anywhere. You had to, like, go to, like, some remote-ass spot and then walk, like, 30 minutes just to get to the stadium. And this was, like, in the middle of a heat wave, by the way, so it was, like, really fucking hot. And the game-wise, I enjoyed, but everything else, it sort of felt like it was just a bunch of corporate shilling. I don't know, it kind of fucking sucked, I'm not gonna lie. The entire experience was ass, but the game was really good. Like, seeing, the players in person and shit, that was fucking fire. But yeah, nothing else really to comment on the stadium experience. I mean, I feel like the stadium should be like a one-time thing if you ever do want to go and you can afford it, but most of the time the TV is just better because, like, you're closer to the players anyway. Unless you have, like, big money, I would not really recommend going to the stadium unless, like, you have, like, a shitload of cash to burn and you can get, like, a good seat and shit like that, but those usually cost way more money than I spent, so. It was just something I wanted to treat my dad to, because, like, he's getting older, and I want to see I wanted to do a once-in-a-lifetime thing with him, so it was great. It was a really fun time. But yeah, nevertheless, enough soccer talk. I want to talk about this. Okay, so, basically, this person made I don't know what the fuck, Mario Kart recompilation of the Mario Kart Wii game. Great, cool, whatever. I don't really care personally about... It's a good project, but I don't really play Mario Kart Wii. It's not that I don't care, it's that I'm not really interested personally. But yeah, so he's talking about the wizard, yada yada yada. And then this person said this right here. This is the problem I have with fucking Twitter artist people, man. And these are just random Twitter. I don't even know why I'm giving them time of day, but I just want to explain a big problem where when you try and transpose one concept onto the other, this person is raging about Gen AI and, oh my god, Gen AI bad, yada yada. I've said millions of times before that Gen AI itself isn't bad. Like, it's a tool. It's how it's used, right? If a startup is trying to replace people with, like, Gen AI this, Gen AI that, then that's bad. That shouldn't be advocated for. It's fucking stupid. But with AI, LLMs, anything in general, if it's being used as a tool, like it is with coding, everybody fucking uses AI with coding nowadays. It's just a known fact. I'm using it with coding. But the difference is that I'm not using it to build my apps for me. I'm using it to help. It's like having a fucking partner by your side when you need help and stuff like that. So you can't be like, oh, all Gen AI bad. No, it's not. And again, the thing about Twitter is that it's always extreme, so nobody really is like... Everybody's like, oh, we're gonna go on one side, then we're gonna go on the other, then we're gonna go on one, and then... No, like, there's nuance to this shit, man. I'm not 100% for it, I'm not 100% against it, but I am using it, so fuck you. I don't know. I don't think the logic with AI in art should be applied to AI with code. Because it's a completely different thing. And the best part is that these fucking Twitter artists are trying to claim that, oh, AI, coding is an art medium. So they're trying to, like, put coding under the umbrella of art, when it's not. It's its own fucking thing. Yes, it is. Coding can be an art if you do it right, but it's a whole different field, a whole different concept. Like, coding can be art, but artists are not coders. Artists are not developers. Unless you learn how to be a developer and how to be an artist. Those are two different domains. So it's like, what the fuck kind of argument are you trying to push here? And then obviously we see all these fucking stupid ass takes, but yeah, I don't know. It just really rubs me the wrong way. I always say, if you want to argue AI, you should argue it in terms of replacing people. All of those other arguments are fucking stupid and misinformed. I'm gonna be for real. So stupid. But yeah, anyways, let me just code this bot and chill for a bit. So the main thing with this bot here is I'm gonna make it so YouTube viewers, any YouTube viewers that join the stream, can chat in the YouTube chat, and it'll relay itself to Twitch. Because sometimes whenever I look at my stats from when the YouTube bot ends, it shows, hey, there was like a chat or something. Maybe it was from a spam bot, who fucking knows? But at least I want the YouTube chats to join in. And there are all these like multi-stream chat widgets and stuff like that. But this chat widget that I commissioned, mainly because I don't want to waste the money, the chat widget that I commissioned is really nice, and it's really themed towards Monami, like the stream in general. So I want it to continue. I really want that aesthetic to continue, but I can't exactly, you know, code this thing for Twitch and YouTube because it uses stream elements, so it doesn't work with both sites. So therefore, ever since Twitch lifted the ban on multi-streaming, I'm making a little proxy bot, which proxies any YouTube message over to Twitch, and then should show up in the little overlay here. So that's the end goal towards this thing, and I've been making it work with both when the stream starts, and I'm gonna also make it work with a binding command. So I also do need to change the channels, but yeah, let's keep going here. So again, I'm using the same TypeScript architecture as I did from the last time. So we got the hashtag syntax that I was using before, and now we got the channels. I'm not going to worry about those. All right, I'm just going to change these. These are like my throwaway accounts. All right, so those are the real accounts. Perfect. Now what I need to do, and I'm just going to check a few things here. Sorry. Yaddy-da-dee-da-dee-da. La-dee-da-dee-da. Oh boy. A lot of phlegm in my throat, guys. Jeez. The air quality was so shit today. Oh my god. I mean, there's fucking wildfires in Canada, and the smoke is coming towards my area, and it's terrible. Like, you can't even go outside without smelling smoke. It's so bad. Hopefully it dies down soon. I really hope so. Ooh, why is there a lag? Give me this. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see. So we did the event listener setup. I should probably add like a command handler because I want to test it on stream right now and see if the YouTube chat will relay over to Twitch. So let's do that. In addition, I already have all the credentials set up. The best part about this is that it works without the need for any YouTube API keys or stuff like that. It uses a different library, so it's able to just pull through YouTube using its internal API and grab all of the live chats from there, which is pretty nice. And Twitch uses its Twitch API, so it's pretty easy to do. All right. We got Twitch set up. We got the event list. So the event listener is basically subscription checking. And we have an attached live chat to the YouTube context. So if the YouTube context has something, that's going to stop it. If it doesn't, then it's going to start it. And it's going to do that. So I'm going to add some commands. All right, so let's do manual handler. Yes, or I can make a command handler, whatever. But I just need to do set up commands. I mean, take in Twitch context. And probably the YouTube context, actually. And then... Cool. I got them both. Oh yeah, my Z is formatting on save. Okay, so then in here, we're going to want to call the set of commands function. So we're going to do that. And the reason why I architected it this way, let me just populate this first, is because, you know, we're using two different services. So it's probably best to have both services split in terms of how they handle things. We already know that Twitch is the big boy service that's communicating with YouTube, so that makes it easier, but it's probably best to keep everything separated for clarity's sake. So command-wise, we're just going to do chat.onMessage. Message. Let's make a handler. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna check my bot code as well. Because I have TwitchBot that I'm working on too. That got deployed via Docker. Oh, I gotta make a Docker file for this shit as well. I completely forgot. Fuck! Alright. Oh, I opened that VS Code. Dude, whenever I have the fucking code shit memorized from using VS Code for so long. God damn it. Oh, this guy. So on message, just gonna copy this. Alright. Twitch chat on message. We're not gonna need to await this command handler. Wait. Alright. I probably shouldn't do that right now. I mean, I already know how to handle a fucking command, so let me do that. I have a command handle in my fucking Monami bot right here, so let's do that instead. The best part is that this doesn't need a database, so it becomes easier to work with. Alright, that's the auth. Oh yeah, this is basically just a simple script to get an access token from Twitch's servers. It's really useful compared to using one of those like token generators. The token generators can be sketchy, so I wouldn't recommend them. Alright. Where did I put... Oh, it's in utils. Oh, nope, I guess I'm not. Wait. Oh, okay. Where's the handle command? Oh, it's in commands. Hey, duh. Alright. Stupid. Let's see here. Handle commands. Okay, sweet. Let me just copy. I'm just gonna yoink my own function and just paste it in here so I can add the appropriate commands. So we don't need a command handler. I just need to send the Twitch object and the YouTube object. Alright. Oh, we need the message shit. Yeah. And then we could do text. So that should work. And then we could do a const prefix is equal to, just make an exclamation point, just like before. So if we use the exclamation point, so CTI, oh, we don't need a context for this. Get rid of that. So command name is found, command params are found. Sweet, sweet. We can get rid of this command handler because that's for an abstract command setup, which I don't have at the moment. What else can I do? Commands length is 0. And doesn't equal 0. Okay. Did I extract the... What if it's not a prefix? How did I even do that? Wait. Now I'm confused. How did I do it before so that the prefix worked properly? Okay, I don't even know how my own shit works, but okay, sure. Don't ask me why it doesn't work. I don't know. Alright. Okay, perfect. Message. Do I not use message? Wait, what? Where do I use the message? It's the text, right? Okay. Yeah, no. That doesn't work. Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, I mean, I guess if it works fine. Let's see. By the white space. Just log the text and see what happens. We have setup, command setup. Okay. Let's just connect everything together. Oh! To make my tokens. Forgot to alter the tokens. Let me do that real quick. Wait. Subscription. Failed to subscribe. Tried to make an API call with the user context, but no token was found. But I'm authenticating as a different user, right? Okay, that's gonna have to be fixed. But for now, I'm just gonna use myself as the user just to make this easier. I can't show this though. Okay, let me make a new app. Oh, perfect. Manage. So creds the old.json, and then I have to make a sample. This credentials file, and I just gotta get client secret, which that's the thing I can't show to you guys. Sweet, that's saved. Okay, now I think I could show this without fucking everything up. Ooh, maybe not. Get a new secret just in case, because I fucked that up. Whoops. Paste that in. Sweet. No! Come back. There we go. Alright. Cool. Now I can show my Z again. Perfect. Alright. Now I just need to do an auth. Oh, I can't show this either. God damn it, man. Fucking authentication is such a pain in the ass. Just authorize this. Okay. There we go. Sweet. Alright. So now we have authentication. Let me rerun index. It should connect. Yep. Perfect. So we got subscription connected. Sweet. Alright. Exclamation point. Hello. Okay, so there's the text. Got it. Alright, how do I tell if it's a prefix or not? Let's see. Manager. So we slice it through the prefix. Oh. I don't even have a check in my Monami bot. Why the fuck don't I have a check? Alright, command that starts... Oh, not command, starts with prefix. And I can just put an exclamation point here. Perfect. Okay, now the text won't come through. What the fuck? Alright, then if I type... Yeah, nothing. Okay, beautiful. Perfect. That's what I want. That's what I want to happen. Okay. What next? What next? So we got the... We basically got that the fact that there's a command. That's the first thing. And we create a sliced array based on that, which is good. Okay. So we make an array, like so. Honestly, a more efficient way to do this, we could do this. I mean, in reality, ooh, that's a double bang. Don't do that. Whoopsies. Alright, so now we're here. Next thing I want to do... Here. Alright. What do I gotta do next? So we got the command name, we got the command params. Now we just need to switch through the command, right? Alright, so I'm gonna copy this, because we don't need a command handler. We could do that all here. What we need to do is we need to send that over to this. So then... Oh yeah, handle command. Okay, so then we have the message and the text. Cat message. I don't think we need a set... No, we don't. Because we already handled it here. Okay. Then await handle command as Twitch, YouTube, and message. Yes, that should be right. Okay, so now we should be in business. And what I need to do is switch between attach and detach. So let's do how do I check the command itself? Oh, that's right, because I looked up in the command tree and I did all the time. Oh, okay. Let's do command as well. This is gonna be a big function. God fucking damn it. I don't even need the message, to be honest with you. Like, I don't even know. We'll see. No, wait. Params, so CMD name and CMD params. I don't even need the fucking message object. I just need the fucking, command and then... Perfect. Alright. Alright, that works. Okay, let's do that. Let's just check these before I do anything else. Trust me, this is for something very important. I could tell for sure. Alright, so we got that all set up. Let's do a quick test. So the params are negative. And params positive. Okay, sweet. Alright. That works. That works. Perfect. Very good. Alright. So we don't need the message object. We don't need the channel object. I can probably just... This. Sweet. Switch on YouTube is still there. Alright, so we just switch on command. Paste. Should I just make it attach or relay attach? I'll just make it attach for now. Break. Attach. That does not sound... Am I stupid? Is that the right spelling? Hold on. It is. Okay. Wow. What the fuck? That's the right spelling. Okay. I'm not dumb. D-E-T-A... No. I'm going crazy. Hold on. What's the right spelling for this? D-E-T-A-C-A. Okay, yeah. Okay, I was right. Alright. Fuck off. The default. We're not gonna do anything on default. We don't really care. Alright. So then async function. Get rid of this. Attach to YouTube. Just gonna do YouTube, Twitch, and the params because we don't need the command anymore. Oh wait, wrong way. Twitch, YouTube. See, too much abstraction will kill you, but too many arguments would also kill you. Make string array, beautiful. Alright. What else do I want to do? Am I dumb? That answer is probably yes, but we don't talk about that. Alright. So we got this to attach. Now all I need to do is called attach. I should just do attach command. Attach YT stream. Shakes YouTube. What else do you need? Oh, the message callback. That's right. Okay. So added message. Just string. Okay, make that an async function because this needs a promise. And then what we do is you do await twitch.channel. Oh, wait, nope. Twitch.chat. Fuck off. Say channel name. And then beautiful. So what's going to happen now is once we attach, we're going to call our attachment poller, which polls and connects to YouTube. And then once we connect to YouTube, we're going to add a callback in which, this is for separation purposes, in which we can just say, hey, Twitch, you can say this now. Now, the next thing we need is a detach command. So a detach is actually easier than attach. And it's just a manual way to detach YouTube from Twitch. This should ideally be done once the stream ends, but let's just say something fucks up. It's really good to have a failsafe. Then YouTube. And then ad break people. Okay. So then what do I have in YouTube here? I need to make a way to detach. Oh yeah, that's right. I could just if youtube.livechat stop live chat is equal to undefined. Undefined is not assignable. Consider adding Wait, why not? Wait, why is this happening? I'm confused there. I thought the optional meant that you can assign undefined, but does that mean I have to say... Huh, okay. Oops. Selection. Why is this error happening when my type is the following? Dude. Oh, shit. Please. Fix that here. Type undefined is not assigned. It's a weird TypeScript error. Oh, fuck you, servers over. Shut up. I have exact optional. Okay, so it's not going to infer. That's very interesting. Is that part of my TS config? Oh, just part of the strictest one. That's fine. I'll add it, sure. Where do I have it here? Kind of defeats the purpose of an optional, but okay, whatever. I guess because JavaScript can have null as well. Just weird. Is polling doesn't need to be checked. Oh, maybe I do need an is polling. So if I have an is polling, that way if I run a manual command, it won't be checked. Yeah, maybe I need to... Fuck, man, I gotta do that too. God damn it, alright. Shit. There's just like so much shit that's coming into play now. I don't need Twitch content anymore. Alright, and then... YouTube context. Attach command. Twitch. YouTube. Why are you yelling at me? Oh, params. Okay. Because we need the, Oh, wait, we don't even need params, because we don't need the stream ID. Oh, then I should do a separate relay command. So we're trying to find the first live stream. We don't need to provide a live stream ID. We just attach it. Oh, yeah, that's true. I'm dumb. But okay, we don't even need params. Just need the command itself. Get rid of this then. We're gonna comment this out for next unused code. Alright. We have attach, we have detach, and we have break. Okay. Let's see how this goes. It was attached. Oh, we probably should say in Twitch if we've attached or something. Okay, let's just start this. Please connect. Okay, good. Alright. Let's try attaching. Okay, so we connected immediately. That's good. So let me go on the YouTube stream and just try testing the chat out. Let's see. Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. So it's sending. Perfect. Nice, I like that. Alright, now let's just do a detach. Alright, now when I... Oh, it did not say it stopped. Eh. That's not good. I thought I had a handler for stopping in there. Let's see. Maybe it did stop, and it didn't say. Okay. Maybe I should... okay, I know it's 2. So we have the stop command, right? But we need to, kill it. Probably in the stream on the end. We're gonna say this, and we're just gonna kill it from there. That might make it easier to understand. That way the log is given. Let's do that. Okay, so let's do an attach. Alright, so we're gonna attach to here. Oh, hi. Okay, we're good. Alright. And detach. Oh, lordy. Alright. Is the end command not the same as just, like, manually killing it? Am I dumb? Hold on. Is this the same... Is the end... fired when ending... when calling... and... no. I don't know. Weird. Is the end part fire when calling livechat.end? Or just when a YouTube stream ends? Let's see. Yeah. Oh, great. Love that. AI has actually been helping me so much with this. Let's see. Check this. My chat naturally ends with the live stream is exhausted. Let's see if there's an event that I could use then. Is there a... Oh, okay. Alright, so it looks like the detachment isn't the same. To be honest, we could do the same thing here, so I'm just gonna do this then. We'll just continuously kill the thing, I guess. Should work. Maybe I should unify that function too, but I might do it in the future. We're gonna set this to undefined no matter what. That way there's a catch-all in this case. And now all we need to do is just make it so it says if there's been a detachment or not. So let's see. We can fire an error with this. Okay. Let's see. Might take a break in a bit here just to rest my brain. Looks like we're doing it so far. I'm gonna pass in the Twitch context just because I need it to say something. Then wait, Twitch, say. Going to chat with YouTube. Yay! Nice. Okay. YouTube chat on white. Beautiful. Problem is, if there's an error, it's not gonna say that. Let's see. I guess I feel like I should do when a manual command is invocated. Oh wait. When a manual command is invocate, should we even be pulling? Let me check. Yeah, that makes sense, because we're gonna attach it now. We don't need to... Yeah, we don't need to attach to it just yet. Yeah. Okay, we'll do it like this then. So for the event, I could probably safely migrate this out and put it inside the event listener, because this will be an event listener specific thing. But let's do that. All right. So we're gonna import this. We're gonna... Oh wait, maybe... Let's just keep that as. One attach. Attach YT stream. We'll attach YT stream. So we're gonna do both in this function. And then an event listener, we're just gonna call it pull attach, like so. Alright, so that's gonna be the puller. And then in here, we can export this. Do we attach here? Yeah, this is just a puller. Okay, so we're just gonna do attach. Yes, that sounds right. And then the manual handler, we don't have to... We just do straight up attach. Now, what's it called in here? Wait, what the fuck? Change that to this. This way that follows the naming conventions, as I inferred. Now I'm stuck. Okay, so we did all of that, and the manual handler, that's where I gotta go. Yeah, okay, so it's the same function, except we're not pulling this time. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, we're going in the right direction, which is good. Yeah, this looks right. Alright. So we're gonna do a try catch, and then we're just gonna do a console.error. Try catch error. We're gonna log that. And then if we succeed, oopsies, we're gonna just paste this here, or we're gonna just say error linking YT chat. Check the console. Oopsies. Okay. Sweet. So now we got the manual attachment command set up. And this is just gonna unlink it. This is the same fucking thing no matter what. Alright, let's test this. So based on what I'm doing right now, the manual command should be working. Sweet. Oh, well, thank you for showing that, Dung. Alright, well, let's fix that. That's pretty easy to fix. That's why I had the message object. I remember now. Well, good thing that happened. So let me see in my old project how I figured this out. Oh, it's a good song. Holy shit. I love Chainsaw Man songs. Here. No, wait. No, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I made it a ooh. Okay. Custom, yes. Ha! Message, sweet, okay. Chat user, chat user. Aha! Yeah, I can just do it in here. Yes, that's right, that's right. Okay, so we're gonna uncomment the message. Or message.userinfo is mod. We're gonna do exclamation point here, return, sweet. That fixes the problem that moderators have to be able to execute this command, and otherwise it's gonna be ignored. Oh, I also say if it's a broadcaster, Twitch can go sick. Okay. Alright, well, enjoy the convoluted if statement. Maybe I should split this or something. I don't know. We're gonna leave it for now. But we ball, right? Alright, let's see if it works. Attach. Oh, son of a... Okay, yeah, I know what I did wrong. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in a separate if condition. You'll see why in a second. Oh, damn it. Alright. Then we could do, and... I'm not gonna make a convoluted if condition for this shit. Someone scheduled my meeting before I blocked my calendar for a vacation day. I asked them to reschedule, but they didn't reply until the meeting started. I love that. Well, that sucks. So we're gonna do is mod and user info is broadcaster, boink, and then return. Probably group this, but I'm fucking lazy. I was being nice and showed up anyway since I was bored and they didn't show up. No. I don't really care. Not gonna matter in the end. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so YouTube chat should now be linked with Twitch. See? You want me to try? Let's see if it works first. Oh, it didn't attach properly. Hold on. Okay, it didn't successfully attach, but nothing happened. Wait. Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Oh, shit. Okay, I know what I did wrong. No. It's off, it's off. So, in the attached stream, I returned the live chat. I have to... This is still fine in the stream. Okay. Fuck. Okay, wait, hold on. So we get the live chat object, but now... So in this one, we're attaching, right? That's fine. So this is live chat. Let's start. Wait, can I just... Why am I doing live chat that's starting here anyway? Oh, no. Okay, wait. This is just my fault. Hold on. If I could just call live chat.start on here, it's not going to change anything. It's being stupid. And we need the object to reference. Have fun at the dentist. Well, that sucks, but Have fun. I'll keep messing around with this shit. Alright. Alright, so let's attach again. There we go. Ignore that console log. What the fuck is that? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay, then we detach. Unlink the chat. Beautiful. Do a test. Nothing. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do a quick... doinkus to just signal the console it's unlinked as well. I can find you. Oop, that's the catch. Whoopsies. Don't do that. Alright, so we don't need the command oh wait, no, we're gonna remake the Steve's relay. That's right, okay. And we're gonna say console.log. Yeah, my huge chat unlinked, so we're gonna say same thing. Boop. Sweet. Okay. Beautiful. Now everything is linking up as intended. The event listener I'm probably gonna test on my own time. Not tonight, though. We're not going to test that. We're just going to stick with the manual commands. Shut the fuck. Well, I might need to call someone for the BRB screen if that's it. Why is my Discord lagging? Jesus Christ, I'm gonna restart that shit. Oh, that's why it needs to update. That makes a lot more sense, actually. It's updating. Nice. Love that. Boo, boo, boo. Let it do its thing. Alright, I will be right back, guys, and we'll continue this in a second. Okay, let's continue. Let's just continue. Well, see, I'm at the streams once I get this properly finished, but we can go from there. Again, I'm just tired, to be honest with you. Let's see. God, my network hates me. Come on. There you go. I have a fucking gigabit connection. It's still acting like a fucking snail. Jesus Christ. Alright. Oops. Then we need... Do I have command params here? Oh, right, I got rid of that. Okay. So command name does not equal relay, and command params dot length is equal to 0. But if it's empty, the onion is empty, it's retarded. That's ridiculous. Okay. Alright, then we pass the params in. Params. Alright. We switch to subcommand. Now we have attach, and break. Sweet. Alright. Beautiful. Oh, wait, then we don't even need this. We still pass everything through anyway. Relay. And this is a string. So we need to do a string array, like so. Okay, sweet. Okay, what next? Oh god. I'm always so tired. Maybe it's because of the application season. Oh wait. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Alright, now I need a few extra things. I need a way to... Oh wait, poll will only be on a stream event, so that's fixed. Like, completely independently for some reason. We linked everything together. We don't need to check if it's true or false, we can just catch the errors. Okay, but I do need a try catch in the event listener, I think. We could do that. So try... Then we can do catch. Error. Oops. Okay. Console log error. And again, all this project will be open source, but it's probably going to be like a shitty open source, not something like my best work, but it's something that really works well, I feel. Especially since it doesn't need us 2 sets of API keys, which I kind of pride that on. It's really nice. Just need Twitch API key and that's it. Alright, so we got that. Okay. Now, the last part is just an error catch. Do the exact same thing here. This says, wait, not that way. Do a manual. That. We log the error, that's okay with me. Alright. That a manual here, and then we're gonna say this is the event. This in the event listener. In the event. Just like that. And then we log the error just like this. Okay. And then we do the same thing as we did here. We can also do it with the Twitch chat, honestly. The other thing is, what if we try to relink? If we try to relink, it's not really going to change anything because we're just going to instantiate another one. We don't need to do that if the YouTube chats are already working. So that's something we really don't need to add in the bot, logically speaking. Okay. Then the manual handler, we can also add do that here. async. We can say this to the event. Okay, so now the event listener is properly linked up. And I think that's it. That's pretty much the bot. I feel I do need to test the event listener, and I also need to see if I can link my bot account with this, but other than that, it looks like the YouTube chat is the YouTube chat linking successfully works. Which is cool. Yeah, I guess I could publish this as its own project. I'm surprised that there aren't any other projects that are like this. It's very interesting because I know Restream has a bot that does this, but not an open source project, which is, I don't know. It seems seems like an untapped space for me, but yeah. Very interesting stuff. I guess what I can try to do is save this. I'll make a GitHub repository probably tomorrow. I'm feeling way too tired right now, I swear to God. But yeah. I'm probably gonna call it for the night. Whoever watched, thank you guys for watching, but honestly today was just like a very impromptu thing, so I don't really expect anyone to pull up. But yeah, maybe I'll stream over the weekend, maybe I'll stream tomorrow, who knows what's gonna happen, to be honest with you. World Cup is ending soon, so maybe I'll stream more often, and I also have some stuff coming up, so yeah, I mean, I'll see you guys next time, I guess. Bye-bye!